Continuing my series of various websites which deliver to India. This is Fotocentre India, and this is one website, guys, from which I have ordered tons and tons of products that I don't remember, products which are small, like tiny, adapters, and products which are big, tripods, gimbals, and not even once I have got disappointed by these. Again, this series is not sponsored by any websites. All the things I am purchasing is from my own money. I don't remember even a single time when it didn't came in this material. So this is like you see in India a lot of white sacks in which you fill grains and things like that. So that is the material, wrapping material, which they use, and on top of that there is this whole tape, so it makes it kind of waterproof and a bit more hard to scratch and all. Apart from that, most of the times I have seen they also cover the product with additional layer of cardboard, so that is good. So Fotocentre India is like one of the most pioneers in delivering these camera equipments, or even some of the technical gadgets like headphones, earphones, microphones, but they specialize in mostly on the camera side of the things. It's from a Mumbai based store which also delivers via their website, and delivery speeds and the delivery partners they use are quite good. This came in FedEx. They use Blue Dart, so all the good couriers they use, from like most of the times I have seen. So their delivery times are within a week for most part, and I'm like completely opposite end of the India, Lucknow from Maharashtra. So yeah. So the product in the box is the very famous mighty Sony MDR7506, which are the monitoring headphones. Very famous. I mean, anybody into this studio, audio, FX, things like that would know about these, and I'm using the Indian Desi Jugaad to unbox it. Don't have any knife and all. So this is what I was talking to you about, that they wrap the product with additional cardboard layer. Now this all audio items which I have recently purchased from these websites is for a new project, or I should say a new starting which I am doing to capture ambience and tons of other cool sounds which I can. I have always been curious about these things. Just one wish, I just wish that this is the last product to fit the puzzle of all the items which I need, because I'm completely exhausted when it comes to bank balance, even over my credit limit. So this is out. Then comes this box inside which our final product is. Now guys, don't use this razors, because I have been around them for quite some time, so I do know how to carefully use them, but please avoid them. If you have scissors around, use that. I am just being lazy, so go ahead with the razors. Come on, there's a warranty card note and whatnot. Okay, finally, so the product is intact, and you can see professional 7506. It feels good when something says professional written on everywhere, So if you want to see the unboxing of this, there is a separate video. I will link that down in the description in case you are interested in this unboxing video. Now, if you are interested in Puja Electronics or Future Forward, or 3-4 more websites which I have reviewed recently, if you want to order from them, please go ahead. Even Tata Cliq too. I will list all those videos in the description. Please check them out if you are about to order. This is not my first product from Fotocentre India, but I have come across times where it's my first product from these websites too. So please go ahead and have a look, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you again. See you soon, guys. Bye. It feels like you are, unboxing something supremely premium.